Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, it's by a brand called Portos Bakery and Cafe. And they've actually been around since 1960, if you can see right here. And what I got right here is some big at-home goods. So pretty much they prepare everything for you guys so that once you guys order it and deliver to you guys can just follow the instructions and you guys can bake it at home. So they have this for like a lot of the pastries. There's like potato balls, cheese rolls, guava and cheese pastries and whatnot. Like the list is endless. But the one that I got is a cheese roll. Like it's actually pretty cool. Like look at the design of the packaging itself. You guys can see the Portos logo on this side. Same thing on the other side as well. Very unique and very cool kind of design. So now let's actually open up the product first. So when you guys open the package itself, the interior, this is what it looks like. So once we remove that layer, you can see that there's a package right here, and that's the dry ice. So you guys want to be really careful when you guys are handling the dry ice to not grab it directly where the ice is. If you guys want to grab it from the top of the bag or wear a glove first. So right here, you guys can see. So be really careful when you guys first get this. Next, we have some instruction guide right here. And then on the very bottom, you can see that there's the product itself. So pretty much what I ordered was 2 orders of the cheese roll, which is 12. So there's a total of 24 cheese rolls. So this is what the packaging looks like. It pretty much looks exactly like the box you guys would buy when you guys go in the store to purchase it. And right here, you can see this is used by May 13. So you guys want to eat this before May 13 and don't wait any longer. But I definitely love like the overall packaging of the product itself. Like it looks very cool. Definitely has their own look to it. They have a little thing right here where you can scan for like the baking instruction if you guys don't get this one or something goes wrong. They tell you like the history of how it started and where it originated from and how it became where it is today. So that's basically everything that's in the package itself. Let's open up the package first and show you guys what it looks like first. So when we open it up, you guys can see this is basically what it looks like. There's all 12 of them in here, as you can see. So basically, once you guys finish making it, it actually would look really nice and taste really nice. But this is what it looks like right now. So like when you guys get the product itself, you guys want to put it in a freezer to make sure it's in good shape to maintain the quality of the product itself. So they have the instruction guide right here, but they also provide you like the parchment paper for baking the product itself, which is pretty cool with them. Now let's actually go bake the product and then come back and talk more about the product itself. So basically, first thing you guys want to do is preheat the oven to 400 degrees. So let's do that first. So right here, change it to 400. Alright, so that's 400. Click start. Alright, so preheating. So we'll just let that preheat. So while it's preheating, we want to put the parchment paper onto the baking sheet. So they asked for 2 baking sheets, but this is all I have to work with. So I'm just going to use these 2. Alright, so here's the parchment paper that they provide us. We're going to put these on to the actual baking sheet itself. Alright, so now I have the parchment paper on. So next up, we want to put on the actual pastries itself, or the cheese rolls. So when you guys put it on, you guys want to make sure it has enough space between each one of the pastries. It should be within like a ½ inch of spacing. So let me do that first. Alright, so you can see that we have it all ready right here. So it's nicely displayed perfectly for 6, so you guys can make 6 at a time. So when you guys preheat the oven, you guys want to make sure that you guys are using at the temperature of 400 degrees. And then once it's ready, then you should put these in, and then you guys want to cook it for roughly 20 to 30 minutes, depending on what kind of oven you guys have as well. So for my oven, I'm going to bake it for roughly 30 minutes, and then I'm going to check on it at around like 25 minutes to see how it performs and how it is first. Alright, so we have it ready, so we're going to put it into the oven now. Alright, so we have it in, so we're going to close it now and cook it for roughly 30 minutes. So 30 minutes. And then we'll just let it cook. So this is what the finished product looks like if you guys do everything correctly and follow all the instructions. If you guys can see, looks really nice. The reason why there's only 10 is because we ate 2 of them already because it's so delicious that we couldn't help ourselves. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the video, you guys can see that it's actually really easy to do everything. Once you guys set everything up correctly, then you guys can just bake it and start eating it. Like this is honestly really cool because this way you guys don't actually need to even go to like the actual store to buy it anymore, especially if you guys are living really far away. Like these stores are all the way in Los Angeles or SoCal, whereas like I'm in NorCal, so it's like I can't go there all the time just for the pastry. Now I can actually order it and send to my place so I can make it myself. So it's like really cool, so that way I can have it really fresh and I can actually customize how brown I want it. If I want it less brown or more brown, and I can control like how many I want to eat. So like if I want to eat all 12, then I can make all 12. If I only want to eat 4, then I can make 4. So that's really cool how I have this option to do that. But now that we did the unboxing and the testing of the product itself, Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So honestly, I have to say that this is worth it if you guys love pastries or if you guys love Portos in general. Because you guys are saving like the trip to go all the way down to like Los Angeles or SoCal, especially if you guys live really far away. And just the whole idea or fact of how you guys can bake as many as you guys want. As long as you guys finish all of it before the use by date, then you guys should be fine. And this is not the first time I had Portos Bakery. I've been to the store before and purchased their products before, like the potato balls, their cheese rolls, and every time I have it, I want more. Like it's so good that it makes you want to have more and buy more and eat it more often. But it probably wouldn't be a good idea to eat them every single day because you guys kind of lose that interest if you guys eat the same thing over and over again. Like if I haven't ate this for a year, then it makes it that much better and I actually crave it a lot more. But basically all their pastries are really good, really delicious and super fresh. Like honestly, this is as fresh as it can get. Like you guys can get it delivered to your house and make it however you guys want to and whenever you guys want to. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or don't like pastries at all, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of this product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have